For the best price, click the link in the description. You're probably here because you're thinking about buying an Amazon Basics 6QT Dutch oven. But here's what surprised me. I was blown away by its performance despite having low expectations. /N. I mean, we've all heard of Basics being cheap and cheerful, but is this pot really worth the hype? Therefore, I'm about to share my honest review with you today. As a home cook who loves experimenting with new recipes, I need a Dutch oven that can handle high temperatures, distribute heat evenly, and clean up easily. But let me tell you, Amazon Basics 6QT Dutch oven has exceeded all my expectations in these areas. /N. With its heavy-gauge steel construction and enamel-coated interior, this pot is built to last. The thick walls ensure even heating, which means your dishes will cook consistently every time. Whether you're braising a tender cut of beef or roasting a whole chicken, this Dutch oven delivers. But what really gets me excited is the price point. At under $40, it's an absolute steal compared to other Dutch ovens on the market. /N. Therefore, let's dive deeper into its features and performance. We'll explore its pros and cons, and I'll share some tips for getting the most out of this amazing pot. So, what sets Amazon Basics 6QT Dutch oven apart from the rest? Here are just a few reasons why I think it's a game changer in the kitchen. Heavy-gauge steel construction provides durability and heat retention. Enamel-coated interior is easy to clean and resistant to scratches. Thick walls ensure even heating for perfect cooking results every time. Affordable price point makes it accessible to home cooks of all levels. /N. But I have to admit, there are some areas where this pot falls short. For example, some users have reported issues with the lid fitting snugly onto the pot. The enamel coating can chip if you're not careful with cleaning and maintenance. It's not as heavy-duty as some other Dutch ovens on the market, so be mindful of your cookware needs. Despite these minor drawbacks, I'm still thoroughly impressed with Amazon Basics 6QT Dutch oven. Therefore, let me summarize my key takeaways for you. Pros: durability, heat retention, easy to clean, affordable price point. Cons: lid fitting issues, enamel coating chipping, not as heavy-duty as other options. So if you're in the market for a reliable and affordable Dutch oven, I highly recommend giving Amazon Basics 6QT Dutch oven a try. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N. Don't forget to check out my other reviews and cooking tutorials on this channel. I'm always experimenting with new recipes and techniques to share with you.